You will be surprised to know that the incidence of kidney stones in the Indian population, especially North India, is 1 in 10. Such is the magnitude of this problem in our society. So many people come to me asking for the home remedies, how to prevent the stone from occurring. So for them, I usually advise four suggestions. First thing and the foremost thing is the intake of water. Nothing can beat the water in as far as stone prevention is concerned. Even if you don't follow any other advice, but just be very, very careful about your water intake, that can do the trick. So what is the solution? Drink around 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. You should drink that much water so that your urine remains clear and your 24-hour urine output is around 2 liters. Then you're doing a good job. So water intake is the prime thing. Now you will ask me, but which type of water is good? Water in any form. You may take lime water. That's actually good. When lemon has been found to have citric acid in it, which is a good thing as far as stone is concerned. So lime water is good, but no addition of too much of sugar or salt with it. And in addition, other juices like orange juice, like curd, like lassi, they're all good as far as liquid intake is concerned. So this is the most important factor. So another important factor is excess salt intake. So what does salt do? Salt has a chemical called as sodium. Sodium is known to cause excess release of calcium in urine, which can lead to stone formation. And also over a crystal of sodium, there can be more and more stone formation. So in any case, we have to decrease the intake of sodium in our body. So what can be done? No added salts, no table salts, no excessive of packaged food, no excessive intake of pickles. So that can somewhat regulate our salt intake. Third important factor is the excessive protein intake. Some people are used to taking too much of non-vegetarian food, seafood, or too much of eggs. So what happens? These non-vegetarian foods contain a lot of purines, which can later get converted into uric acid. The uric acid is a very important factor for stone formation. Also, it has been seen that excessive animal protein intake can lead to excess release of calcium in the body, which can further lead to stone formation. So take proteins, that is good, important for body, but in moderation, especially the animal proteins. Coming to the fourth point, which is also an important point, is excessive oxalate rich diet. Now what is this oxalate rich diet? Oxalate is the culprit because it binds with calcium in the body, leading to formation of calcium oxalate crystals. So what do these crystals do? They settle down in the urine and lead to calcium oxalate stone formation. You would understand the importance because calcium oxalate is almost 90% of all the stones. So we have to decrease the oxalate intake. Where is oxalate found? Oxalate is found in all the green leafy vegetables, especially spinach, tomato, brinjal. So we have to decrease the intake of these foods. I would not say totally cut them out, but you have to just decrease. If you're taking it every day or every alternate day, then just decrease it. Now, other things which need to be decreased as far as oxalate food is concerned is chocolates, too much of hard-boiled tea, and beetroot. We can also have to regulate our intake of nuts like cashew nuts. So all these factors, if we do together with intake of good amount of water to keep ourselves well hydrated, especially for those people who are out in the sun, who work outdoors, who have a lot of sweating. So for them also, these things have a lot of importance, and if we follow them religiously, then the chances of stone formation are extremely low.